Hello, everyone. Today, I came up with where to find permanent remote jobs for software engineers. In this video, I will show you more than 10 websites where you can apply for permanent remote or work from home jobs. Number 1, Turing. Turing is a platform that connects software engineers with top U.S. companies for remote jobs. The platform is known for its rigorous vetting process, ensuring that only highly skilled developers get selected. Engineers can work on high-impact projects without relocating. Number 2, GitHub. GitHub Jobs is an extension of the popular GitHub platform, offering job listings from various tech companies. It is particularly known for remote job postings that are attractive to developers who are already using GitHub for version control and collaboration. Number 3, We Work Remotely. We Work Remotely is one of the largest remote work communities, offering job postings across a range of industries. For software engineers, it provides a wide array of opportunities, from startups to large corporations, all offering remote roles. Number 4, Hired. Hired is a job marketplace that connects tech talent with top companies. The platform allows engineers to create profiles showcasing their skills, and companies apply to the engineers, making it a unique reverse job search experience. Remote options are available across many tech roles. Number 5, RemoteOK. RemoteOK is a job board dedicated to remote work, featuring jobs across various sectors. For software engineers, it offers a comprehensive list of remote programming jobs, with the ability to filter by job type, such as full-time, part-time, or contract work. Number 6, AngelList. AngelList is a platform designed for startups to find talent and for job seekers to discover startup jobs. Software engineers can find remote roles in early-stage startups, often with the opportunity for equity. Number 7, FlexJobs. FlexJobs is a premium job board focused on remote, part-time, and flexible jobs. It hand-screens every job listing to ensure quality and offers a variety of roles in software development that can be done remotely. Number 8, Stack Overflow Jobs. Stack Overflow Jobs is a job board integrated into the popular Stack Overflow platform. It primarily serves developers and tech professionals, providing remote job listings from companies seeking highly skilled engineers. Number 9, Xteam. Xteam is a platform that provides remote developers to companies around the world. It offers long-term projects and a community-focused approach, ensuring engineers have the support and resources they need to thrive in remote roles. Number 10, Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelance marketplaces, offering opportunities for software engineers to find freelance, contract, and remote jobs. It caters to a broad range of projects from small startups to large enterprises. Number 11, TopTal. TopTal is an exclusive network of top freelancers in tech and design. Software engineers can apply to be part of this network to access remote job opportunities with some of the world's leading companies. Number 12, Remotive. Remotive is a remote work job board and community for remote workers. It focuses on high-quality remote jobs and has a strong offering in tech roles, including software engineering positions. Number 13, Jobspresso. Jobspresso is a curated job board that specializes in remote jobs in tech, marketing, and customer support. Software engineers can find hand-picked opportunities with reputable companies offering remote positions. You'll get the URLs of these remote jobs websites and many more remote jobs website links from this website. https://global-sharepoint.com. I have mentioned the blog post URL from the Global SharePoint site in the comment section. To get many more career-related tips, help, and useful information, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.